Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford F250 diesel. First, gather your tools, a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need new diesel engine oil, typically around 13 quarts, and a new oil filter. Park your truck on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the used oil to flow completely into the pan. This can take several minutes, so be patient and ensure all the old oil is out. With the oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it about a 3/4 turn with the wrench. Reinstall the drain plug securely. Finally, let's add the new oil. Locate your oil fill cap, usually on top of the engine. Carefully pour in the recommended amount of new diesel engine oil, typically around 13 quarts for a Ford F250 diesel. Start the engine for a minute, then shut it off. Check for leaks, then use the dipstick to confirm the oil level is correct, adding more if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.